Hey Mia, good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Ryan. I'm pretty good. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
Same here. I woke up early today. I went for a short walk.
Oh, nice. Morning walks are good. Was it cold outside?
A little cold, yeah, but the sky looked really beautiful. I actually wanted to take a photo.
Oh, really? Did you take one?
No, that's the problem. I was alone. I wanted someone to take my photo.
Oh, I know that feeling. You want a nice picture, but there's no one there.
Exactly. I tried to take a selfie, but it looked strange.
Selfies are hard sometimes. Your arm is too close, or your face looks too big.
Yes, and the background disappears.
So today, we're talking about asking someone to take your photo, right?
Yeah, this happens a lot when you're traveling or visiting a new place.
Or even at a park, or in front of a nice building.
Or when you finally look good and want proof.
Yes, very important.
So, Mia, are you comfortable asking strangers to take your photo?
Hmm. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends.
Depends on what.
The person. If they look friendly, I feel okay. If they look busy, I don't ask.
That makes sense. I usually say, "Excuse me, could you take my photo?"
That's a perfect sentence. Very polite and simple.
Yeah, let me try it again slowly. "Excuse me, could you take my photo?"
Very clear. Beginners can use this easily.
Another one is, "Can you take a picture for me?"
Yes. That's also good. Very natural.
Do you say photo or picture?
I use both. They mean the same in daily conversation.
Good to know. So imagine this situation. You are at the beach.
Okay.
You see someone standing nearby. What do you say?
I would walk up slowly and smile. Then I say, "Hi, excuse me, could you take a photo of me?"
Nice, simple and friendly.
And I usually hold my phone like this, pretends to hold phone.
Oh yes, you show them your phone.
Yes, that helps them understand.
I also say, "Just press this button."
Good idea. Some people don't know your phone.
Exactly. My dad once gave his phone to someone. They started recording video instead of photo.
Oh no,
He stood there smiling for 10 seconds.
that's funny, but also cute. Yes,
He didn't know. He kept smiling,
very important. Sometimes the first photo is not good,
maybe eyes closed.
or wind in your hair.
Or you blink.
So you can say, "Could you take one more, please?"
Very polite.
I also say, "Maybe from this angle."
Oh good. You can guide them.
Yes, like, "Can you take it a little higher?"
Or, "Can you include the building behind me?"
Yes, that's very common.
When I visited New York, I asked someone in Times Square.
Oh, that must be busy.
Very busy. But I found a nice couple. I said, "Excuse me, could you take my photo?" What did they say?
They said, "Of course."
Then they took like 10 photos.
That's nice.
Yes. And they even said, "Do you want portrait or landscape?"
Wow, that's kind. Oh, professional.
I know. I was impressed.
Sometimes travelers understand. They also want photos.
Yes. So you can also offer help.
That's true. After they take your photo, you can say, "Would you like me to take yours?"
Perfect. Very friendly.
It creates a nice moment.
I like that. Small human connection.
Yes, and it's good practice for speaking English.
Definitely.
Some beginners feel shy, though,
Yes. They worry about speaking.
but the sentence is very short. Just memorize it.
"Excuse me, could you take my photo?"
That's all you need.
And smile.
Smiling helps a lot.
What if someone says no?
That's okay. Maybe they're busy.
You can say, "No problem, thank you."
Yes, always be polite.
Then ask someone else.
Exactly.
Have you ever asked the wrong person?
Hmm. Once I asked someone who looked very confused.
What happened?
He held my phone upside down.
Oh no,
I gently said, "Oh, maybe like this."
that's nice. You corrected him politely.
Yes, always be kind.
Another tip. Choose someone calm,
And yes, not someone running
or someone on the phone.
or someone eating.
Yes, don't interrupt lunch,
Also, families are good. They are usually friendly.
or other tourists.
Yes, tourists understand.
Sometimes I use a funny line.
Really? What do you say?
I promise I won't take much of your time.
That's cute.
It makes people smile.
Humor helps.
Do you prefer selfies or asking someone?
Asking someone, the photo looks better.
I agree. You get full background.
And your arm is not in the photo.
Yes, that's always awkward.
Also, you look more relaxed.
True,
And sometimes people say, smile.
that helps.
It feels like a mini photo shoot.
Yes.
Another useful phrase, is this okay?
Oh, yes. After they take the photo,
They show you the picture.
then you can say, "That's perfect, thank you."
Or, could we try one more?
Always polite.
Always grateful.
Gratitude is important.
Yes, they helped you.
I sometimes say, "Thank you so much,"
That sounds very natural.
and I smile.
Smiling again.
Always.
You know, this small situation is great for beginners
Why?
because it's short, real, and useful.
Yes, you can use it anywhere,
Airport, park, street, museum.
even at a coffee shop
Yes, if there's nice decoration.
or birthday party.
True.
So let's repeat the main sentence slowly.
Okay,
Excuse me, could you take my photo?
perfect.
Another one.
Can you take a picture for me?
And one more.
Could you take one more, please?
Great.
That's enough for beginners
Very practical.
and not scary.
Exactly.
So, next time you travel,
Don't be shy.
just ask,
People are usually kind.
and you'll get a nice memory.
And a nice photo.
That's the goal.
Thanks for the chat, Mia.
Thanks, Ryan. Now I want to go take photos and
Me too. Let's ask someone.
let's do it.